It's the 1950s. Stalin is about to address the Soviet Congress. The room falls silent as the applause dies down. Suddenly, someone sneezes. It's soft, almost polite, but Stalin stops and asks, "Who sneezed?" No one dares answer. Without a word, he orders the first row to be executed. Gunshots echo down the hall. Stalin asks again, "Who sneezed?" Still silence. He orders the second row taken as well. More shots ring out. The hall trembles with fear. Stalin asks a third time, and once again, no one speaks. The third row is gone. Finally, from the back of the room, a trembling figure stands up. "Comrade Stalin, it was me," he whispers. Stalin turns, expression softening, and says, "Bless you, comrade."